road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
You are my dad.
You're my dad.
Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Ryan. What are those?
They are my Crocs.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
Hey kid, you want some blades?
No. Blades are for skating. You dingus. It's kind of snowy.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Double tap if your favorite thing to do when you're done eating is eat and digest your napkin. Thanks.
I do that.
Please, God, just let me have one good day.
Oh my god, you again? Give it a rest, buddy.
Hi, my name is Chelsea. What's your favorite dinner food?
Can I borrow a pencil? Are you kidding? You want a pencil? I'll give you a pencil.
She's such a snake.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop your fucking lying.
Let's open the blinds and maybe we're gonna see some stars out today.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Now, yes.
I have no soul. Have a nice day.
I don't have one either.
You know when you and your friends take a picture, then you look at it and you're like, ugh, I don't look great in this. What's that like? Adam!
Okay, love, I'm eating ice cream. That's what I mean. Popcorn.
That moment when you enter a room and forget why you went in there.
What you say?
Oh, that's right, I was getting chased by a serial killer.
Summertime! I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball.
We actually have the chip reader now. Oh, yeah? Oh, it's not gonna work with that kind of...
Transaction completed.
Out of coffee, baby. I get another, but I'm too damn lazy.
My favorite fall vegetable, sweet potato. All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Revenge time.
This, what is up? That's because it's hot outside.
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
It's very safe, it's durable, See, now it's locked in place. You say, oh God.